Hello my friends, welcome to Anna's Violets. Today we're talking about lavender. Will lavender grow in shade? Would you like to know the answer to this question? Well, then watch the video till the end. We're talking about lavenders today. Hey everyone, I'm Anna and on this channel we're talking about plants and gardening. So if you are into plants, if you grow plants, if you just started growing plants, or if you're an expert growing plants, you may consider subscribing to this channel because we're talking about different plants. And today we're actually starting series about lavenders. There are so many questions that people ask me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook about lavender, and I'm going to answer all these questions one by one in shorter videos. So the question is, will lavender grow in shade? Well, I have already several videos about lavenders and I have explained that they like to grow under the sun. So if you are growing them outside, make sure that the place that you choose for your lavenders are very sunny areas, because lavenders need 6 hours per day to grow under the direct sunlight. Well, without sunlight, in the shade, in the semi-shade, will lavender grow? Well, as you see, yes, they will grow because they were for about a month or so indoors. Why? That's another thing which I'm going to explain you in a second. But for now, I want to say that yes, the short answer is yes, they will grow. Another question is that how they will grow it. And you can see quite a leggy growth here. So this is how your lavender will grow in shade or indoors. Well, indoors, if you have a very bright window with full sun for at least 6 hours per day, you can still consider growing your lavenders indoors at home. However, the perfect way to grow lavenders is outdoors under the sunlight. But as we're talking about the light in this video, well, this is how your lavender will grow. And in this case, if you notice that the stems of your lavender grow very leggy, you need to consider pruning it. So you would probably prune up until here, and of course not let it sit in the same area because the new growth will also grow leggy, but you will need to either repot it to a brighter area if you're growing outside, so you will need to repot it in a brighter area, or if it's growing indoors, then you would need to choose a window with more sun, or you will need to consider bringing it out and growing it outdoors under the sun, because it will not die, it will still grow very slowly, very leggy, and will not bloom. So neither variety of lavender. You can see even here much better that the older growth is like here and it's quite bushy. So it's quite bushy, right? But if you have a look at it like this, so the new growth is so leggy, it's quite long, and if this continues this way, this lavender will never bloom. So yeah, you need quite a bright area for your lavenders, and I hope you like this video, you learned something from this video. And if you liked it, consider subscribing, click on the like button, bell button to be notified of all the videos that I post every week. Write down your questions in the comments and I will be really happy to help you grow these wonderful bushes of lavender, because the smell is just adorable, even from the leaves, even without flowers. Stay patient about plants. See you next time.